everyone, a very good evening from India, from Arunachal Pradesh, and myself Ajita.
Hi, Tashi Dilek, and I'm Saish.
Yeah, we are from Nth Adventure, and we are here to welcome you all for our Adventure Racing World Series qualifier for 2026, which is Adventure at Mechuka. Yes, so we have a lot to share, and before that, I would just like to thank the Tourism Department of Arunachal Pradesh, who have been very, very supportive and instrumental in bringing this sport to their state. Adventure tourism plays a very huge part of our incredible India, and we are fortunate enough that we have the support from the department, support from the people, support from the state, support from the locals, different hamlets and different villages to design a course which is a world class. And not just us, it is Heidi and Stefan, the well-known name in the adventure racing fraternity. They are here with us, supporting us, assisting us, and joining us as an international race director to design a course which you all gonna love it. And yeah, more about the course, I think I'll let Saish say more, because he has spent more than 3 weeks in the state, walking, hiking, paddling, cycling, and doing a lot of things. And so yeah, please tell us more about the course.
So yeah, welcome to Arunachal Pradesh. Welcome to Adventure at Mechuka 2026. And the course is very beautiful, and Arunachal Pradesh valleys and mountains and rivers are absolutely beautiful. Can be brutal. So, and also remember, Adventure at Mechuka is a World Championship qualifier.
Yes.
So it's ARWS World Championship qualifier as well. So the course is set in these beautiful valleys and the mountains of Arunachal, and everyone will love it, and everyone will have a great time here. And the course is designed by Heidi and Stefan and me and Ajita, and for sure we will be able to give you what you are expected, or it can be unimaginable adventure.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely. It's going to be an unimaginable adventure, because India is rich in culture, heritage, and Arunachal is known for its tribes and the different dialects, the different languages, the food especially. So for all the people who want to travel to different destinations to experience different culture, the food, and what this country is all about, so India is one destination where is going to tick mark all your dreams. So we really look forward to host you all along with Arunachal Pradesh Tourism.
It will be a beyond endurance. It's an experience of a lifetime. So don't miss it.
Yes, yes. Please
We would
do.
like to thank Department of Tourism Arunachal Pradesh, who is the key
Host.
player.
Yes, they are the main
also
host.
the main host of Adventure at Mechuka 2026.
Yeah. So the one which we hosted in the month of April was just a teaser.
Teaser,
we'd say.
absolutely teaser.
But now you have to get ready for amplified adventure and an unimaginable adventure in incredible India. So thank you guys. We'll see you soon. So please, to all our global adventure racing community, all our friends, media, volunteers, we look forward to see you next year.
Adventure at
Mechuka.